Welcome to our FFA tractor spotlight. This machine behind me is more than metal and tires. It's the future of American agriculture. This is a 1959 861 Ford tractor. This 861 Powermaster here is a 5-speed with-life power, specially equipped with power steering. It is a 4-cylinder Red Tiger engine. This is a 1960s model 101 3-bottom 16-inch plow. This 861 here is the first type of Ford tractor to pull this type of plow. In this restoration, I kept it as an original 6-volt system. FFA is just not about raising animals and growing crops. It's about learning skills that keep agriculture moving. Tractors like this are a big part of that. Thanks for checking on our tractor. Remember to like, subscribe, and support Chuckey-Doak FFA chapter.